Good day everyone and welcome to Pop Out Cypher. In today's video, we're going to be creating our own WhatsApp from beginning to end. It's something going to be really cool, and we're not going to be coding anything. It's all going to be AI doing the tasks for us. We're going to create our own WhatsApp platform. It's going to be more cool than WhatsApp because it's going to be like Telegram and WhatsApp combined, and then we're going to convert it to a hackers platform when we're done. Now the video might get too long, so I'm going to cut it into different parts, and all you have to do is just watch the video to the end and go to the next part and flow on with the video. And when we're done, we're going to host it live, so the hackers platform is going to be live and you can join the platform and continue hacking with your fellow hackers, more advanced hackers, or meet newbies and teach them stuff and all that. So this video is really going to be cool, and if this is your first time to see this channel, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video because it's going to be really awesome and it's going to be a chance for more hackers to unite.
So guys, what is going to be happening here is that we're going to be giving a prompt to AI ChatGPT. We're going to be telling it to describe WhatsApp in MVP terms, and whatever it gives us, we'll see what we'll do with it next. At this point, ChatGPT has given us answers. So what we're going to do now is to quickly copy it. Yep, copy it.
Alright, now that ChatGPT has answered us, the next thing we're going to do is to copy its answer and we're going to paste it somewhere new. That's a new AI, and that's the AI that's going to do the website for us, and all the coding, we're going to watch it do the coding, and we're not going to do one thing. It's going to be so awesome and so great. Yeah, so we're going to be pasting this on Lovable.dev.
So as we can see, this is Lovable, and now we are just going to paste the answer right in it. Yeah, now we have to just remove that part because it's kind of useless, and just probably tell it the remaining things we want it to do. At this point, I was really looking for how to explain to Lovable that I really want this app to be a cool app, so I have to tell it to mix WhatsApp and Telegram together. I really wanted it to be like a highly advanced WhatsApp. Yeah, the main plan is that it's a platform for hackers, right? But before the platform, I want to show you guys that you can actually create WhatsApp. So this guy is going to create WhatsApp at first, and it's going to do something. But because I'm already telling it like to name it Cypher Nation and all that, that is why the color might not be the same, but it can do exactly WhatsApp. If you pasted only the answer, it was going to do exactly WhatsApp. So hit the enter button and Lovable starts to work immediately. Alright, it's spinning up the preview and it has something for us now. It's writing the code. Okay. Yep, it brought it up. Look at this. This is just like WhatsApp, only with a different color. Because I already told it to make it like a hackers platform and mix it with Telegram. That's why it's all like this. So this is what it really looks like. Yeah, it's similar to WhatsApp. You can type a text and send, although it's not going to send because it has not really been worked on the backend and all that. Now I'll tell you a shocking thing. You might wonder that, okay, we're going to have to code the backend and all that. Lovable can do everything for you. Lovable does the backend. In fact, you can integrate Supabase to Lovable, and I'm going to tell you about Supabase very soon. So at this point, I'm actually explaining to Lovable that I want this app to be really cool. I want an actual chatting platform, yeah, where people can send text to each other. I want it to be a platform where hackers can communicate lively and all that. So we're gonna give that prompt to Lovable right now, and you're gonna see how Lovable is gonna do something cool. Alright, so new answer. So guys, what happened here was really quick, and I'm gonna explain all of that. So I actually didn't want the video to be too long. I had to cut some part of it, and I'm gonna explain each and every of what I did. I didn't wanna go through it with you because it made the video too long, so I cut it. Then what actually happened is gonna be explained. What happened here was that I told Lovable to do some certain things, make it more like hackers platform, change the color. I also told it to make the first screen the login so that no one can have access if it doesn't have an account. You have to create an account first, and yeah, that's the login screen. And of course, for you to do this, there has to be a backend. So Lovable did the backend, and I'm gonna show you that right now. So as you can see here, some prompts I gave Lovable. This is when it was writing the SQL for the database, and these are some prompts that I gave it, telling him there has to be authentication, there has to be an email for sign up and login and all that. So I gave it a lot of things, and there was nothing really difficult in all this. It's just about giving him the prompts.
So I'm going to be telling you guys about Supabase, and Supabase is what we're going to be using for the back end in our Cypher Nation project. Supabase is going to be running the back end, and I'm going to brief it quickly for you guys. Supabase is an open source platform that provides a suite of tools to help developers build fast, scalable, and secure applications. Here are some key features of Supabase. PostgreSQL database, a powerful open source relational database with robust querying capabilities. Now it also has real-time data synchronization, which enables real-time data updates and synchronize across applications. There is authentication and authorization, built-in management with support and various authentication methods, auto-generated APIs, which automatically generates RESTful APIs based on the database schema. And we also have the storage, which provides storage for files with support for public and private buckets. Now, Supabase aims to simplify the development process by offering a file-based alternative with emphasis on PostgreSQL and open source principles.
Alright guys, so this is Supabase. Look at it. Now you can quickly just search Supabase on your browser to get here, and I'm gonna pin a video at the top right, so you can just go and check out Supabase. I made a video about Supabase, so you can go and check it out before continuing the video or maybe after the video. Now I came back to Lovable and showing you some prompts. I gave you some more prompts to enable email login because I didn't see email login. Now email login is enabled, as you can see. So let's create an account. Yep, you're gonna add your secure email, and you don't want to use your actual email since this is a platform that hackers are gonna be on, and anybody can come here trying to hack you still. So we're gonna go to temp mail, and we're gonna get an email address for temp mail. So you don't have to use your real identity. You just have to come here and see what other hackers are doing, get their probably the applications they put on it and all that, and it's not a safe place. At the same time, it's just secure communication. At the same time, you might be doing something wrong and you don't want to get caught, so who knows the person that's going to report you. So your real identity doesn't have to be here. That's the main point. You just have to use something that's not you and you're still the one. Then the password, unless someone will come hacking my account with my password, I have to cover it. Right now we are in, but yeah, we're in, but it's not still like a chatting platform, right? We're not able to send messages, and there's not supposed to be contact, but because it did it like WhatsApp, so you can come and check out the networks you're connected in and the identity profile. Okay, that's for you. And yeah, look at this, the founder page of me, Prince Jake. This is really nice, but okay, that's nice. But I told you to add the founder page because of course I did this. So yeah, this is a really great tool, Lovable. And the video is getting too long. Like I said in the beginning, if it's gonna get too long, I'm gonna cut it because I don't want it to be all bulky. So watch the part 2 of the video. It's gonna be on your screen right now or in some seconds because the video has come to an end. Watch the part 2 of this video and learn how to use Lovable professionally. Share this video to more people to learn.